everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel, and this is my new series I'm starting calling Reboot from Breast Cancer. But it's for everybody if we're rebooting from whatever illness, whatever sickness we've had, whatever's kept us down. If we haven't just been exercising or taking care of ourselves, it's time that we do it. So this is my second episode, and I feel as we keep going, maybe we'll get into a groove. I'll get into a groove and get this all figured out, because I'm playing by ear as I go, and that's fine with me. That's kind of how I do things. I think you guys know that if you've been with me a while. When I go to do a makeup look, I don't have it planned. I just make it up as I go. So anyway, I did make some notes about what I wanted to talk about today in my reboot. And the first thing I want to talk about is I am on a medication now for it's to stop my estrogen production. I think that's what it's Tamoxifen, and it is to help prevent me getting cancer again, breast cancer again, ovarian cancer. That's what it's for. I have not hit menopause. I am 55 years old and I have not hit menopause. When they did my blood work a year ago, my doctor said I was nowhere near menopause. That's according to my blood work. I have regular periods. She said I could have a baby. I'm 55. I'm not having a baby, believe me. But, yeah. So, all the side effects for this medication is I could have, I could develop blood clots, especially my legs, my arms. And she went through all the symptoms and signs that you might have a blood clot. She was really worried about that one. Some of the other side effects, weight gain. I don't like that one. Depression, moodiness, hair falling out, headaches. Well, I am seeing my hair come out a little more. When I wash my hair, a little more hair comes out. When I brush my hair, a little more hair comes out. It's not coming out in clumps. It's not like I was on chemo or anything like that, but I do feel like my hair is coming out more. For the first couple of weeks, I had a headache every day. Every day. It wasn't a migraine, but it was a bad headache, and that has gone finally. That I don't have the headache anymore. So that's good. Depression, yeah, a little bit. I've been having a little bit more depression than usual. I will tell you guys, I'm very open. I am on depression medication. I have been on depression medication most of my life. The first time my doctor put me on depression medication, I was a child. And I have been on and off it for most of my life, but since probably since right after my son was born, I have been on it constantly. And my doctor did inform me that I'll probably be on it the rest of my life. And I'm okay with that. It really helps with my depression. But since taking this medication, I've been a little more depressed. And I think that is getting a little better. I'm still, you know, I see the doctor in December. So we will see, or the end of this month. End of November, December. I'll have to look and see when my appointment is. I think it's December. We'll see how it's doing. It seems to be leveling off a little bit. I'm having really bad dreams, though. Just awful dreams. And I never have bad dreams. I don't like that, but that's something I can live with, you know. So, yeah, that's kind of what's been going on taking this Tamoxifen. The doctor did say there's another medication. I forgot the name of it. I'm sorry. She did tell me. But you take that after you've gone through menopause, and it's a little gentler on your body than the Tamoxifen. But in order for me to take that, if the Tamoxifen is just not working out, I would have to get injections to put me through menopause, to set me into menopause, or have a total hysterectomy. And at the time, when I was talking to my doctor about it, I was like, yeah, let's bring on the shots, let's do that. Now I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to do that. Actually, I think maybe I should just let nature take its course. These side effects so far, yes, they're there. They're not like huge. I'm going to just take it a month at a time and just see how things go. If for some awful reason I develop a blood clot, then definitely I will go another route. But I just want to give you a heads up of what's going on with the Tamoxifen. And if any of you guys are on Tamoxifen or have taken it, let me know what you guys have gone through. Now, one of the side effects of Tamoxifen is gaining weight, which I don't need to gain any more weight. I need to lose the weight. I haven't gained any more, but I really haven't lost any. So, I need to go down, not go higher. So, I've set a goal for myself, and I want you guys to join me if you need to lose weight. If you need to lose weight. If you don't need to lose weight, you don't have to join them. But I have decided it's not a going sugar-free. I am going to have no desserts between now and January 1st. Except Thanksgiving Day, I can have one. Christmas Day, I can have a dessert. Or for us, it would be Christmas Eve. We have our big family thing on Christmas Eve. So Thanksgiving Day and Christmas. No other days. No desserts, no candy. None. But I'm not going sugar-free. If a recipe has sugar in it, okay. Like I said, I'm just cutting out desserts and candy. I'm trying to make this as easy on me as possible and doable goals that, you know, and this is doable. We can do without desserts. We don't need the desserts. If we know we can have a piece of pie on Thanksgiving and you can have a whatever on Christmas. Eat dessert all day on Christmas if you want, but no more after that till January 1st. So, who's going to join me on that one? We can do it. We can do it. I'm not asking you to go to sugar-free. If you put sugar in your coffee, go ahead and put sugar in your coffee. Don't eat the desserts and the candy. Okay? I think that's good. Also, I am focusing more on my nutrition. I am trying to not eat processed foods. I'm trying to eat more whole foods, you know, stay away from the packaged stuff. That's what I've been trying to do. I'm feeling better, so I'm wanting to cook more. I got out of cooking there for a year, you know, and we were eating out a lot. That's another thing. We're going to cut out the eating out. Not completely, but we need to comment. We eat out a lot. Guys, we eat out. My husband's schedule is, he'll work Friday, Saturday, Sunday. He'll be off Monday and Tuesday, work Wednesday and Thursday, and then be off Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So it rotates. So he has every other weekend off. On the days my husband's off, we usually end up eating out somewhere. No more of that. Let's eat out maybe once a week. We used to only eat out on payday. Maybe we should go back to that. Eating out once every 2 weeks for us. I know we won't do it. Maybe we should just do once a week. Eat out once a week, and that be it. And no more fast food. No more fast food. No more going and getting... At McDonald's, I get the fish sandwich because I can eat fish, but I don't eat meat. At Burger King, I get the Impossible Whopper, which is so good. But I only eat half the Whopper, and probably 5 or 6 fries is all I have. I take the rest home, and it makes a second meal for me. So a Whopper meal makes 2 meals for me. But I need to cut that out. And then also drink a lot of water. I need to be drinking my water. Now, I'm one of these people, I'm not a big fan of just regular water. So I do drink the La Croix waters. I do have my refrigerator stocked with La Croix waters. I also like Crystal Light in water. And then I found these. Bay? I think there's a Bay. Oh my gosh. These are absolutely delicious. This says it has 5 calories a serving. And there's 2 servings in here, so there's 10 calories in this. But it has only 1 gram of sugar. It's 3% juice. But it's all natural ingredients. And this one is the Malawi mango. These are so good. The coconut pineapple is absolutely delicious. My favorite. So I'm treating myself to one of these a day. One of these a day. And then I'm drinking my La Croix waters. I'm drinking, I have a pitcher of Crystal Light peach mango tea in my fridge. I also have 1 cup of coffee in the morning, and then after that I drink tea during the day. I'll drink, I have hot chai at night, and I also have usually a glass of iced tea. We sweeten our tea with stevia here in our house. So I drink a lot during the day, and I mix it up. Just drinking plain water, I do that as well, but not as often as I drink other forms of water, because I tell you, I'm not a big fan of water, but where I live, I think we must have like the best tap water there is. We have delicious tap water. Being here in the mountains of western North Carolina, we have great tap water. I know when we move, I'm going to miss the water a lot. My son drinks water all day long, straight from the tap. Absolutely loves it. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do with food. I'm focusing on this until January 1st. I'm probably still going to focus on it, but I'm taking it in little bites, just little pieces. Also, I have gone back to using my lift wand, so hopefully you'll see this face lifting. I did not use my lift wand for a year. I did not take care of my skin like I should, and man, it was sagging. I could see it in my videos. I could just see my face melting. So I'm using my lift wand again. I use that daily. I love my lift wand, and it lifts your skin. It really works. If you want me to do another video on lift wand, I will. I do have a couple of videos out, and I can link them down below if you want to go over and look at them. And I do have links to purchase the lift wand. I can put that down below if you want to click on it and go over. I got mine from Amazon, and absolutely love my lift wand. It's a lot cheaper than that. Was it Nuderm? It's a lot cheaper than that, and I find the results are fantastic. So, yeah, that's what I wanted to talk with you guys about today. Got any ideas for us? For, things we can chat about? Please leave them down below. So, those of you who are going to join me on cutting out candy and desserts, put a little emoji down below that you raise your hand, or just tell me, yep, I'm with you. If any of you have taken Tamoxifen, please let me know down below. I would really appreciate it. What things you've gone through, and yeah, let's chat about Tamoxifen. And yeah, so thank y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you'd subscribe. And please leave comments in this video. We need to chat. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.